So Christi, thank you.
Thanks, Patricia. And yeah, I'm so excited to read it as well. I bought my copy today, but I wanted to just to build on what you said, because I'm already really seeing, you know, there is a definite desire for back in person, but also I think hybrid. I'm curious to find, like, how do you bring the best of both worlds, right? So I'm going to be facilitating a session in a couple of weeks, which is have people actually remote who are going to be listening in. And so I think that hybrid training model is not going to go away, because people are recognizing they don't want to travel. People can learn in this environment. So for me, it's even, as Kanchan said, even more essential to say, okay, how do we still keep the things that we got out of this virtual experience? How do we enjoy the connection of being together, but recognize we're probably still going to have to balance both. So I'm glad I think it's very timely as well that this resource is going to be available to help balance that.
Thank you, Christi. You know, that's a really good point, an important point too. And a lot of the tips in the book apply to that hybrid situation, because you don't want to forget about the people online all of a sudden when you're back. And the hybrid is going to be even more difficult. And I'm so eager to write the hybrid shift, but I want to enjoy this book now first. So this book is applicable to that too. But thanks for mentioning that as well.